Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our the new products on my right hand. This is a commercial stylings, the countertop seasoning containers for cold table toppings. And so let me give the overall dimension first. The unit's entire length is about like a 19.5 inches. And the depth is about like a 15.5 inches. Overall height is about like a 10 inches tall. So these countertop units, we can see they do have about like 6 containers, and all the units having the individual spoon and the caps. And for this cap lids, we haven't seen they made by stainless steels, and the spoon is made by stainless steels too. It's benefit from the manufacturers. And when we open this one, let me give the overall dimensions. For the small containers, it's about like a 6.5 inches wide, 7 inches long, and 6 inches deep. So this unit, you can put all kinds of toppings or any seasonings or any sauce inside. And the basis, we have some space for you to put some ice to keep the temperature cold. And you can use it as any wonder or just in the kitchen too. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.